Number 22 and 23 say, suppose the graph of f is given, describe how the graph of each function can be obtained from the graph of f. So this is just very generic. It's just a generic function f. They're not telling us if it's x squared or square root of x or x cubed or anything like that. It could be any function. But with these numbers that are placed here, meaning the 2, the plus 5, and the minus 1, the transformations will be the same. So we have three different things to worry about here. So the plus 5, that's going to be left 5. The minus 1 is going to be down 1. And then the 2 being multiplied is going to be a vertical stretch of 2. Looking at 23, we actually have three things going on here. We have the 1, we have the negative sign here, and we have the negative sign here. So the 1, this is a positive 1, so it's a 1 being added, and it is on the outside. So that actually means up 1. I mean, normally we see it as like a plus 1 over here, and it's kind of easier to identify, but when you have a 1 over here, it's still a plus 1. And then the negative sign we have here, this means it's going to be reflected across the x-axis. And then the negative sign here, it's going to be reflected across the y-axis. So those would be our three transformations on that one.